Right, so what we're going to do today is the Christmas 2023 Radio Times Super Sudoku. Right, let's get started. So, row 2's got an 8, row 3's got an 8, row 1 needs an 8. It's going to be one of these two, isn't it? So it can't be that one. So, that one's an 8. Column 4 has got an 8, column 6 has got an 8, column 5 needs an 8, so that's going to be that one. Column 1's got an 8, column 2's got an 8, column 3 needs an 8, so that's got to be that one. Column 7 has a 3, column 9 has a 3, column 8 needs a 3, so that's got to be this one. So column 9 needs an 8, so this now has to be this one. I can see that row 9, the 4 in row 9 is going to be this one. So this Sudoku starts off quite easy, and it kind of lulls you into believing that it is easy, but this is the third time I've done this one, so it transpires that it's not that easy in the end. Okay, so I'm going to start putting alternatives in at this point. So the one in column 1 is going to be one of these. The 4 in column 4 is going to be one of these. 4 in column 8 is one of these. 5 in column 6 is one of these. 9 in row 7 is one of these. 6 in row 9 is one of these. 5 in column 9 is actually this one. So the 5 in row 3 is going to be one of these. 5 in row 6 is actually this one. That's what I mean about it looking easy to begin with. So that gets rid of this one. So it makes the 5 in row 3 this one, column 3. Really blowy day out there today. I think the recycling bin's just gone down the street. So the 5 in column 1, no, it's one of these. The 6 in column 8 must be one of these. No, because you've got a 3 in column 3, and you've got a 3 now in row 7, then it cuts the 3 down in column 1 to one of these two, which means that the 3 in the top left block now is one of these. Now you've got a 9 in column 9, you've got a 9 in row 2, so it means that the 9 in column 8 is going to be one of these. Which means that the 9 in column 7 will be one of these. Actually, you could have got that to begin with. Let's have this 9. Let's see if we can finish this triple in row 6. So it needs 2, 9 and 6, doesn't it? So this one can be a 2 and a 9. This one can be a 2 and a 9. That one can't be a 6, and this one can't be a 6, so that must be the 6 now. Get rid of this one. This can be a 9. That's a 5 or a 9. It can be a 5. There's a triple in column 3, which is 2, 6 and 7. So this can be a 2 or a 7. This can be a 2 or a 7. Neither of them can be a 6, and that makes this one a 6. Onwards and upwards. So there's a quad of 4 missing In row 9, 2, 3, 5 and 7. So that one can't be a 7. That one can be 2, 3 and 7. It can be 2, 3 and 7. And then this one can be 3, 5 and 7. Quite a lot going on there. Now there's 4 missing from row 7. So it's 1, 2, 9 and 7 missing from row 7. So that can be 1, 2, 9 and 7. This one can be 1, 2, 9 and 7. This one can be 1, 2 and 7. We said earlier that the 9 in this row is one of these, so this can't be a 9. And you've got a 9 in this block anyway. So the numbers missing from this bottom right block are 1, 2, 6 and 7. Let's have a look at the numbers in column 9. The missing numbers in column 9 are 1, 2, 6 and 7. So this one can be 1, 2 and 7. And this one can be 1, 2 and 7. And obviously only these two can be a 6. I have noticed that this one's got to be a 6 over here, column 1. Now, the other thing to notice here is this. In this row, these can't be a 4. That one can't be a 4. That one can't be a 4. So that one's the 4. That's the 4. So all these 4 blocks is 1, 2, 9 and 7. That one can't be a 9. I think these can be 1, 2, 9, 7. I put them in. Very busy. And then same with this block, really, it's 1, 2, 9, 7. Because of that 9, and the 9 is constrained to column 8 with these 3 blocks on the right hand side. So that can't be a 9. So it's 1, 2, 7. So the 9 is one of these two. 7, we don't know. So the rest of these is 1, 2, 9, 7. So that one can't be a 2, can it? It can be a 1, 9, 7. If I look at the 1, 2, 3, 4 missing ones in row 3. Let's have a look at the 3 missing ones in this left hand block first. Now that we got this 6, it's always go for the lower hanging fruit because it very often informs the rest of the thing. So you've got these 3 here, which is, so I need 2, 4 and 7 here. No, it can't be 7. It can't be 7. So if we're looking at column 3, that must be the 2 and that must be the 7. So that's the 2. So the top one is 7, which means these can't be 7 in the rest of row 1. So that's just 1, 2. It also constrains the 7 to column 8, i.e. one of these two. So that can't be a 7. So that's a 1, 2 as well. So one of these is a 7 now. Yeah, that one can't be a 7. Yeah, that one can't be a 7 because there's a 7 already in row 6. That one can't be a 7 because one of these must be the 7. So those must be the 7 in this row. So these aren't 7s either. If these aren't 7s, then one of these must be a 7. Also, we've just said that that is 2, so that can't be a 2. We've still got this 1, 2, 7, 9. So this can't be 2, we've said. Can't be 7, we've said. Now, let's put this pair in first because it can't be a 9 either because one of these must be a 9. So let's just put this pair in now that we've got that 2. So this is a 4, 9 pair. Now that one can't be a 9 because of this one. So that's the 4, and that's the 9. Okay, so that cuts things down a bit. It does mean that this quad coming down here, 1, 2, 7, 9, this can't be 2, 9 or 7, so it must be the 1. Okay, so that sorts things out slightly. So it means that can't be the 1, that can't be a 1. This can't be a 1. So one of these must be the 1 in column 5. So still need 1, 2, 9, 7. This is a pair now. So this is a 3, 7 pair. Also, because that's the 1, all these 1s come out of the top right hand block. Which obviously means that this one's the 1 over here. So it's the 1. Which means that this can't be a 1 in the left side of row 1 there. Which means that this is a 1. Okay, in row 2, column 1. Which ties the 1 down in row 3 to one of these. So if we've got a quad in row 3, which is 1, 6, 7, 9. Well, that one can't be 1, 9, but it can be 6 or 7. This can be 1, 6, 7. 7 or 9, I believe. And then this one can be 1, 7 and 9. It can't be a 6. A quad in row 1, which is 2, 3, 4 and 9. This one can be 2 and 4. Can't be a 3 because we've said that the 3 is restricted to these because of this 3 here. It can't be 9. So it's just 2, 4. This one can be 2, 3. It can't be 4 or 9. This one can be 2, 3, 4 and 9 at the moment, what I can see. 2, 3, 4, 9. Numbers missing from this top left block. Actually, I've just realised something. These can't be a 4, so this one must be the 4. So, row 1, column 1 is 4. So that's a 4. Which means that can't be a 4. So we're left with 2, 3, 9. In row 1. This one must be a 4 in row 2. Because of this 7, this can't be a 7. So the only place a 2 can go in this top left block now is either one of those. So we've got the 2, 3, 6 triple. Now this one can't be a 2 or 3, so it must be the 6. Okay. So you've still got this 1, 7, 9 triple in row 3. If this is a definite 2, 3 pair, it should give us this one. So this is a 7, which you can see anyway because there's a 7 here and there's a 7 here. That means these can't be a 7. No other 7s in row 7. So that can be 1, 2. That one's 1, 2, 6. So you're left with 2, 3, 5 in this. So that can be 2 or a 5, can't be a 3. That one can be 2 or a 3, but can't be a 5. And this one can be 2, 3, 5. Now the quad in row 2, that one, that one, that one, and that one, is 2, 3, 6, and 7. So if we want a 6, it's obviously not that one or that one now. It can't be this one, so this is the 6 in row 2. So we're left with this 2, 3, 7. So this one can't be a 2, so that can be a 3 or a 7. So if that's a 6 in column 6, that's a 6 in column 5. Column 4 needs a 6. It can't be that one, so it must be this one. Sorry, this is so messy. Used to doing it on the digital ones with the iNEWSPAPER, which means this can't be a 6. Right, that can't be a 6, so neither of those are a 6. That can't be a 6, so this must be the 6 in column 9. And by extension, row 8. So this is 6. I did have this 1, 2, 7. This one's clearly not a 7, so this one must be the 7. And also because of that 1, these ones could go. So this one is the 7 in column 9. As I say, the 1s could go. So this just leaves this one as 2. So you've still got the 2, 7, 9 needed in column 8. These can't be 2 anymore. Okay. You just need a 1 and a 7 to finish off this bottom right hand block. This one can't be a 7, so this one's a 1 and this one's the 7. That's a 1, that's a 7, so it means that that 7 can disappear from column 7, so you're just left with 2, 9 pair. This 2 can go now in row 7, so you're just really left with a 5 and a 9. Well, obviously this one can't be the 9, so this is a 5 and then that one's the 9. I do apologise for the mess. Only scrawly writings, bits of bloody rubber everywhere. So this one can't be a 9 anymore. So you're left with this, and I've got 2, 3 and 5, so obviously that one's got to go. Something's, so it can't be 5 anymore, because you just put that 5 in. The other thing that's messy is I'm not putting them in order, so that's obviously a 2, 3 pair. So you want 2, 3, 5, 7 going across here. Now, the only place that you're going to get a 5 now is this one, so that one must be the 5. You're left with a triple in row 8, one of which is a 1. So you're left with 1, 2, 3. Well, the quadruply. So this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and this is just 1, 3. This 2 can go. It's never going to be a 2, was it? So you got this 1, 2, 9 triple in row 5. Well, this one can't be a 2 or a 9. So this is a 1. Which means that one can go. So you're just left with this 2, 9 pair in row 5. So you're left with two pairs in this middle block. So you've got 2 and a 9 and a 3 and a 7. This can't be a 1 anymore. So that's a 3. Okay. That pretty much finishes a lot of things. So that's a 3. That's a 7. Probably a digital ready to turn. It's too bloody stupid to find it. Right, this is 3. Expect. Now, the only place you're going to get a 1 in this middle block now is this one. Okay, so that's a 1. Obviously this can't be a 3 anymore. So this is 2, and this must be the 3. So this 2, 3, 7 just becomes a 2, 7 pair. This 1 can go up here. So the only place you're going to get a 1 in this top middle block is this one though. That could never have been a 2, could it? That could never have been a 2. Ah, no. Because of this 3, this cannot be a 3. In fact, you're left with a 2. No, it's a 3. It's 279, isn't it? Well, this can't be a 7 or a 2. So that is your 9. So that one can't be a 9. So that's 2, which means that's a 9. I think we're on the home stretch now. So this must be 2, 7 this way around. That's a 2. This is a 7. So that one can't be a 9 anymore. Which makes that a 9. So that can't be a 9. It can't be a 7 either. Decided quite earlier on. So that's a 2. That one's a 7. That makes this one a 7. Which makes this one a 3. Which sorts these two out. I'll rub them both up as soon as we know what we're doing. We believe we know what we're doing. Right, so that must be a 2. That's the 3. Just leaves these two here now. So we've already got the 9 in row 5. So this must be the 2. And the last one must be the 9. Yeah. 2. That one's the 9. So it's actually, that was fairly difficult. It's the same sort of level of difficulty to the iNEWSPAPER ones that I often do. Those ones are digital, so they're a bit neater. Yeah, can't see the wood for the trees in all my scribblings. I'll try and make it darker in Shotcut when I edit all the crap out of this, all the coughs, curses, farts and long pauses. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Thank you.